Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Skruvby Cabinet from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, a hammer, a level, a 5/16 inch drill bit, and a pencil. You can also use a Phillips or posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first step is to grab this bottom panel and put it into this orientation. Just make sure this edge that I slid my finger along is located here. Also grab 4 adjustable feet and screw them on like this. Now flip the bottom panel over and grab 4 of these black metal pieces. Then insert them into these 4 holes. Next, grab both side panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the grooves are facing inwards. Also, grab 8 dowels and hammer them into these 8 holes. Now connect both side panels like this. Then grab 4 camlock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab the backing and slide it into the groove as shown. Just make sure that the 2 holes are facing up. Now grab the top panel and put it into this orientation. Also grab these 4 black metal pieces and insert them into these 4 holes. Then connect the top panel like this. Next, grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Now turn the cabinet around 180 degrees. Then grab these 20 corresponding plastic pieces and insert these 10 like this. Now secure everything with the other 10 plastic pieces. Then from the wall hardware bag, grab these 2 black plastic pieces and insert them as shown. Now grab these 2 black plastic pieces and screw them on like this. If you don't have baseboards, then you don't need to do this step. Next, put the cabinet against your intended wall. Now grab a level and make sure that the cabinet is level. If it isn't, then adjust the feet until everything is. Then grab the rest of the wall hardware and secure the cabinet to the wall. I've done these steps already in another video, so I'll leave a link with a timestamp in the description below so you can see how it's done. Now grab 8 shelf pins and insert them like this. If you're following the instructions, the pins will be inserted at the 2nd level from the top and the 3rd level from the bottom. Then grab both shelves and place them onto the shelf pins like this. Next, grab both of the doors and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 hinges and secure them into these 4 holes. Now grab a door and secure both hinges to the cabinet like this. You may need another person's help to hold the door for you. Then secure the other door to the cabinet as shown. Next, grab 2 handles and 4 of these screws. Then secure each handle with 2 screws. The whole process will look like this. Now grab 4 rubber bumpers and stick them on as shown. Then check that everything opens and closes properly. If it doesn't, then you may need to adjust the hinges. I'll explain what you have to do in these next steps. Now every situation will be different, but if your doors are leaning too much to one side or the other, then you'll have to play around with this screw. This applies to all hinges. If your doors are too far in or out, then unscrew this screw and adjust the depth. Again, this applies to all hinges. And if your doors are a bit too high or too low, unscrew these 2 screws and adjust accordingly. Again, this applies to all hinges. So you should now have a fully assembled Skruvby cabinet with doors from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.